Hi guys, so today we thought we'd head down to Rutland Water and see what it's got to offer. It's a nice sunny Sunday, so just kind of a little stroll around, maybe cook up a little bit of food, have some coffee. Let's just see where it takes us. I mean, this is probably the best barbecue spot, I'd say, right by the river edge. Check that out there. Just right out onto the lake. I mean, it'd be better if you could actually camp here. I mean, what a campsite this would be. But obviously, unfortunately, they don't. You can put up sort of shelters, windbreakers and that for the day, they don't mind that. But no camping, unfortunately. I think there is a campsite over towards where they've got a boating club. I've seen that before. Yeah, so you can see, like, it's pretty popular spots up here. People just come up with the barbecues. I think there is some pubs on this way round, you can stop at. Fortunately, I'm driving today, so not going to be able to go that far and have a few pints. Really a purpose-built reservoir. It was built on top of the town of Hambleton, and it took them actually 3 years to fill this. It's one of the, I think it's one of our largest reservoirs in our area. But as I said, it's open to day trips. I don't think you can park at night over here, but you know, yeah, I think there was some kind of dinosaur fish thing found recently. Yeah, I'll check that out and I'll put something below. That might be interesting, maybe, if you like dinosaurs. I really hope this audio is picked up today. Got some facilities that are free to use on site as well, so they've got toilets and stuff like that here as well. And there is a little sort of coffee shop and like a clubhouse thing that you can go in, purchase drinks and food and stuff as well. Okay, so that's actually where we're going to be heading up to Normanton Church, and hopefully we'll get some good shots around there today. So we really lucked out today with the weather. It was a bit overcast this morning, but we thought, you know, just chance it and come through anyway. And it's turned out to be a really nice day. As I said, the weather's been a bit hit and miss recently, so for me trying to get out and do some filming has been a nightmare. Because obviously I'm working on top of trying to get these little videos out weekly. But I hope you're enjoying the stuff I'm putting out at the moment. I am, again, hoping to do some more camping soon. I've just purchased a new tent, which should make things nice and easy, nice and quick. I will be doing a video on the setup of that soon. And hopefully I've got some places planned to go and do some camping and a little bit more cooking and stuff. So that's to look forward to. But again, if you are enjoying this kind of thing, please consider maybe dropping me a like and maybe hitting that subscribe button. It really goes a long way to sort of supporting me make these videos. And yeah, hope you're enjoying today's. actually this really nice sort of little natural garden area just before you go up to the church as well. This has really grown in since the last time I visited here, which was a little while ago, but proper little haven for bugs and probably bloody wasps, which everybody hates. No idea why they were created, but I suppose they've got a purpose somewhere. So we've got this cool little bug hotel set up just to encourage the little creatures to make their homes and nests and feast on the bodies as they're living. So let's just have a little look just around the outside of Normanton Church. It's always locked up during the day, so obviously you can't go inside. For a minute then I thought that was a boat capsized, but I think, are they setting up like a jump or what? No, it is a boat. Yeah. Yeah, so I thought they were setting something up, but it's actually a boat that's just capsized over. Looks like the local sort of lifeguard guys are trying to give them a bit of a hand. There's a bit of assignment for the video too. So I'm just going to sit here for a minute. Just want to see if that boat actually docks here or if it goes on around. And then what I'm going to do is probably head around a little bit further. But, oh, boat's going in. Let's try and get a shot of this. If anyone's got any suggestions for places to visit for me to check out, drop me a comment. There is an email address on my page as well, so send me emails if you want. Yeah, I'm always looking for new places to explore. Okay, so we're just going to head on over to this thing. Must be some kind of... Oh, I have no bloody idea what that is. Let's go have a look. Maybe it tells us. Okay, so there's actually no details on this thing, so if anybody knows what it is, probably something obvious, drop us a comment. I'd be interested to know. A prison for pirates? Not a clue. I'd imagine it's something to do with drainage or cleaning or something to do with the reservoir itself. Take up golf. That's a good idea. Apart from you bloody can't fit anything else in your boot when you're playing. I just want the table. Okay, let's go find a spot just to pick up some food. Okay, so just got a little snack just while we're out today. So pretty basic, pretty processed. So some water to make the coffees, a bit of fun, and some nice processed frankfurters. Full of crap, but they do. And some mustard. Let's cook it up. Well done. Okay, let's get these in. Don't worry, they're not full for me. There is more of us here. Okay, let's just check how he's getting. Yeah, there you go, nice. Better get some buns ready. Okay, so got some nice brioche buns, and they're pre-split, even better. Yeah. Lovely. We've got a little bit of a wait while the kettle boils now. Oh, it takes a little while on that little gas hob, but I think probably I should look at getting one of those little jet boil ones, especially if it's just a couple of us. I think they boil up the water a bit quicker, so what I've heard. Cheers, guys. I mean, it's pretty busy around here today actually now. It was quite quiet when we arrived. The only thing is when you're recording and you're talking to yourself, everyone seems to look at you like you're a bit of a weirdo. Which would be true in this case, but you know, you've got to do what you've got to do to make a YouTube video, right? Till next time, guys, remember, if you're not outside, get outside. I can't turn it off. Yeah.